fans? You love chilling horror shows? Well, how about thrilling fireworks shows? Hi, I'm the Phantom from Phantom Fireworks, and I've been putting the boo in boom since 1972. After years of haunting abandoned theaters, I stepped out of the shadows and into pyrotechnics, and I've been following my passions of blowing things up ever since. Why wait until the 4th of July to light off fireworks? Fireworks are perfect for Thanksgiving, birthday parties, weddings, anniversaries, bar and bat mitzvahs, funerals, rock concerts, rap concerts, jazz concerts, all kinds of concerts. Located in the heart of Central Ohio, Phantom Fireworks has become a major economic player in Ashland County, coming in only behind Grandpa's Cheese Barn. Man, that guy sells a lot of cheese. From fountains to finales, our staff at Phantom Fireworks is passionate about finding you the perfect fireworks display. Looking for black cats? We got them. Looking for those tiny little spermy popper thingies? We got those too! We've got sparklers, mortars, Roman candles, razzle-dazzles, hip-hoppers, skippers, screamers, wailers, poppers, ding-dongs, jolly whizzies, golden doodies, boom-booms, pow-wows, rattlesnakes, skippers, jumpers, jumping jacks, whizzers, skizzers, hot peppers, and so much more. Not sure what you're looking for? Describe them to us and we'll do our best to figure it out. Maybe you're looking for the or the Phantom Fireworks. Fireworks so good they get 2 thumbs up.